In this video, I will tell you how to create a Binance account step by step. So first you need to go to binance.com and click register. Next, enter your email, click next and verify the code sent to your inbox. Then set a strong password and add the referral ID from the description if you want a fee discount. After that, start identity verification with a valid government ID and a proof of address. Now choose your country and decide to verify in the app or on desktop. The app method is usually faster. Then in the app, enter your personal details, pick your ID type and take clear photos of the document. After that, complete the short video check to match your face to the ID and verify your phone number by code. Next, answer the compliance questions and submit your address proof showing your full name and address. Finally, wait for the approval email and then you will have full access to Binance features. That's how you create a Binance account. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.